Hello, this is Jeremy from 3D Infotech with another quick tip for you. I have this inspector project that already has my CAD and scan imported and aligned, and I already have many features created as well as a report. If I review my piece history, you'll see I've already measured hundreds of pieces in this one project. Recently, my company started hiring contractors to help us inspecting our parts. So I want to show you how I could distribute this one project to my contractors or my suppliers. First, I don't want to share this entire project with all this piece history because that's just going to create a really large file that they don't need. So if I'm using PolyWorks 2023 or older, I'll navigate to File, Create Nominal Project. If I'm using PolyWorks 2024 or newer, I'll navigate to File, New, Nominal Project. That will open up a new window. And in that new window, I have the option to mirror the project. I'll discuss more about mirroring a project in another video. For now, I will leave it unchecked and press Create. After pressing Create, I now get to name this new project. This could be my template project or my nominal project, and then press Save. And you'll see my entire tree looks pretty much the same. I still have the same features, I still have my report, but if I review my piece history, you'll see that entire piece history has been cleared. So now I can share this one simpler project without all that previous piece history. When I review my workspace manager, you'll now see where that nominal project is. I can simply right mouse, export it, and share that with my contractors and my suppliers. Alternatively, maybe I want to archive this nominal project and put it onto our network drive just for backup. Last, you've already seen one other way of how I could organize all these projects. And my company wants to organize all of our inspections based on the months. So these are all the inspections that happen in January, in February, all the way through July. So in my case, since we're now in August, I could do File, New, Nominal Project. And make a new project that represents my August inspections. And you now see there's that project in my workspace. So that's creating a nominal project. Thank you for watching.